Hello, in this short lecture I will talk about gravity. Gravity is a phenomenon in which objects with mass and energy are attracted to each other. According to the theory of general relativity, gravity is a result of the curvature of space-time. Bodies with mass and/or energy distort space and time. This model, published by Einstein in 1915, is the best description we have of the phenomenon of gravity, and so far it has met all scientific measurements and observations. But so far it doesn't fit with quantum mechanics. According to Newton's classical physical model, which he published in 1687, gravity is an attractive force acting between masses. According to this model, the force of gravity is proportional to the product of the masses of the bodies divided by the square of the distance between them. Therefore, the force is stronger as the masses are larger, and weakens rapidly as the distance between them increases. On Earth, this model yields fairly accurate predictions and is the model in use since the math is simpler. Only when high precision is needed do you have to use the Einstein model. Another concept interprets gravity as one of the fundamental forces in nature. According to this view, gravity is the weakest of the four fundamental forces, about 10 to the power of 38 times weaker than the strong force. The strong force is the force that binds the protons together inside the atom. And about 10 to the power of 36 times weaker than the electromagnetic force. The electromagnetic force, also called Lorentz force, explains how both moving and stationary charged particles interact. Okay? And about 10 to the power of 29 times weaker than the weak force. The weak force is responsible for the radioactive decay of atoms, and it causes beta radiation, which is a type of radioactivity. On Earth, gravity gives weight to objects, and the moon's gravity causes tides. Gravity also has important biological roles in that it directs the growth direction of planets in the process of gravitropism, and affects circulation in multicellular organisms. Studies in zero gravity have shown that gravity has a role in the immune system and the process of cell differentiation in the human body. Okay, thank you very much.